It's too late, I know now. I'm giving in, I can't back down. And you're so hard, your web I'm caught. Just one more night.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an after Christmas clean with me. This was on Christmas Day, and this was just after the kids were done opening their presents. And as you can see, my house is filled with wrapping papers, packages, you name it, everything. My house is a total mess right now. So today I'm gonna take you along with me to help me clean all this and transform this mess into a clean and cozy living room.
I don't need a perfect.
In this video, we're going to be cleaning the living room, the bedroom, and the kitchen. Those were the area that got really messy after the Christmas, because those are the areas we spend most of our time. I know it can be a little challenging to find the energy, the motivation to start cleaning right after Christmas, but we have to do it. So if your house looks like this, go ahead and grab your trash bags, your cleaning product, and let's get our places cleaned together.
Hold your gun, cut the wire, aim for fun, with a light your fire. I've been flying up the ceiling, taken by this feeling. Maybe we're invisible at last. Fueling every engine, power is descending. Maybe we're invisible. Over the coming days, let's cut to the chase. We're gonna beat this maze, let's go deeper.
And if you're new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Abra, and I am so happy to have you join me today. Well, I don't normally sound like this, but I had a really bad cold that messed up my voice. So I apologize for that. On this channel, you can expect all sort of cleaning motivation videos, shop with me, home decorating, and just a little bit of everything to keep you guys motivated to get things done around your house.
And maybe we're invisible. Hold your gun, cut the wire, aim for desire. Hold your gun, cut the wire, aim for desire. Hold your gun, cut the wire, aim for desire.
So I tried to do the clean as you go method, but between keeping the kids to hold still for pictures while they open presents and helping them open some of their gifts, it was just impossible to keep up with that. So at the end, I just was like, okay, it is what it is. We're just gonna go ahead and open all the presents, and mommy gonna clean up later. So if you have any tips for after Christmas cleaning to help minimize the mess, go ahead and drop it in the comment below. I would love to try it next time, and it might help somebody else too.
Off the ceiling, taken by this feeling, baby, we're invincible. We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding holding closely together and staying forever young. What about you and I then? Can we two find a way to align with
Here I'm just placing my tree skirt back because I'm not quite ready to take Christmas down yet. So yeah, I'm gonna have to enjoy this tree and all the decor for a little bit before I take them down. You guys let me know in the comment below, when do you take Christmas down? For me personally, I like to keep my Christmas decor until after New Year. That's how I've always done it, and I just like it like that because Christmas is my favorite season, my favorite holiday, and it just always saddens me to let go of my Christmas decor.
to go on?
I wanna run away, wanna make mistakes now. 'Cause I don't wanna stay, wanna live my own life. Wanna feel passion for something or someone that makes my world turn upside down. Wanna give it up for something or someone that's better than this. So don't be too offended, I have to leave. There's nothing in for me, no, I'm not fitting in. I've packed my things to go. Am I being naive? But it's my choice to make. It's my new rebellious way. It's my new rebellious way. I never use my voice, but I have a choice now. Before I gave in too quick, was the one who back down. Wanna feel passion for something or someone that makes my world turn upside down. Wanna give it up for something or someone that's better than this, that's better than this. So don't be too offended, I had to leave. There's nothing in for me, no, I'm not fitting in. I packed my things to go. Am I being naive? But it's my choice to make. It's my new rebellious way.
at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder. I can't believe my eyes when I get close to you, close to you, close to you. You said hello and I lost my control in just one tiny second. You do to me what I've seen in the movies, but this really happening. My mind explodes, I can feel my bones shaking to the beat of my bleeding heart. An overload, don't know how this goes, but I'm pretty sure you just made my world stop. I can't believe my eyes when I get close to you, close to you, close to you. So
cheap bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the